Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Beyonce. Ah! Like in this hair, nobody can tell me that I'm not Beyonce. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, it's getting pinged for my Renaissance tour, bitch. What? Do I look good or nah? You look good, you do. No flitter, no flitter. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Carrington, and I am back with another video. I'm so excited to be back here on YouTube. It's been about 3 months, and I know y'all are like, girl, you keep leaving us, you keep ditching us. But honestly, I just had a lot going on. But in this video, I will be showing y'all how I laid my lace like this. I'm currently wearing a 5x5 HD lace closure wig that I ordered from my vendor. This wig originally came in the color 1B, but I did bleach this hair. And I feel like this hair is literally a 10 out of 10, girl. I literally bleached this hair 4 processes. Four. Okay, spirit, 4. Received. But yeah, I bleached this hair 4 times. I dyed it. I did so much to this hair, and do y'all look at this? Look at the material. Look at the material. I'm just like, yo, this is honestly crazy. It's giving. It's very much giving everything that it needs to give. And only thing that I would say is, since this hair is bone straight, it does not hold a curl all day. I am able to curl it, but it's like after an hour or 2, it's definitely giving me like Kim K waves, you feel me? But I love that because I don't like my hair to be like super curly or super big. Or like, that's just not my vibe. I think it's because of my face. My face is kind of like fat a little bit, so I like for my hair to look real sleek. It give me that real snatch look. But yeah, in this video, I will be showing y'all how I laid my lace like this. And I only use one product to lay my hair. Y'all gonna see it. Literally one product to lay my hair. I don't use glue. I only use Ebin spray to lay down my lace. So in the video, y'all will see me doing that. Okay, y'all. So right now, we is really up close and personal. Y'all in my space, y'all in my personal space. I'm in y'all personal space. We besties, we friends. So as I install this wig, I am gonna be looking at my mirror. I have it in my hand. I don't want y'all to like get that reflection, but I do have my mirror in my hand. So this is gonna be like a very, very easy type of tutorial because I'm not gonna use glue to lay this wig down. I'm only gonna use the Ebin spray to lay this wig down. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is begin to hot comb my hair back so that it's not any flyaways in the way. I don't want anything to get glued down. Do y'all see the knots? I pre-plucked this wig myself. It did not come pre-plucked. I did this myself. I could do another video on how I do that as well. But yeah, I'm just hot combing my hair back. Because like I said, I don't want any excess hairs in my way. And I love how I comb it back because it just gives you such a natural look when you begin to go and lay your part down, girl. Like, ooh, this is out of my scalp, honey. And my hot comb, I have it, well, right now it's at, I think it's 360, but I'm gonna turn it up to 500 because the 500, honey, will have your wig laid down to the gauze, okay? Laid down to the gauze. I'm about to see all my pores, jeez. But it's okay, we besties. So I have everything hot combed back, and I really love that. Okay, and another tip that I want to give y'all. So I don't like for my part to look super yellow. So what I like to do is only bleach the front half of, not even half, like the front 1/8 of my closure, because I like for my part to still look like beigey slash like not white, but like that beige color, because that's the natural color of my part. So I only bleach here because the key for me is for the lace to be laid into my skin, and for it to have that color of my skin. So that's the reason why I bleach my knots. I don't bleach my knots so that my part looks yellow, so that my part looks like, I don't even know what the, that's just not my vibe, okay? After I've hot combed everything back, I'm going to be cutting the lace into 3 sections. So I like to cut in between my eyebrows. So here, I'm gonna cut the lace here. And on the other side, I'm gonna cut the lace here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, and under my wig, I just have my hair in a ponytail with a part down the middle. So that's why my part is able to look like that, because literally my natural part is here, and then the part of the wig is at the same side as my hair. So I'm just gonna be cutting this into 3. And like I said, I cut it like in between my eyebrow on both sides. And also you're gonna need some of these scissors. You're gonna use small scissors when you do this, or you can use a razor. I just find that these small scissors are more precise for me personally than the razor. So after I've done that and I have everything aligned in the middle, let me just make sure. But my face is not symmetrical, y'all. So if my part look a little off, it's because my face is a little off. I'm gonna get like facial rebalancing or some shit. But I'm going to begin to cut in like a zigzag motion. I don't want it to be just cut straight across. And as you can see, when I plucked it, I kind of went in and out too, because naturally that's how my hairline will go. Like that's how my hairline is. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Next, we're gonna need the ebon. Okay, y'all, so I'm just sliding my wig back and I'm gonna begin to spray the ebon spray. But girl, make sure you stay away from your edges because you want to keep your edges, okay? So make sure you spray above your hairline, and yeah, you can just rub it in with your finger. That's what I'm doing. Then I'm drying it off with my mirror because I'm ratchet. Yeah. Next, I'm just going to be going ahead and spraying more of the ebon spray. This is my second layer, and I am going to go in with 3 layers, and this is my second one. And as you can see, I'm just spreading it out with my finger. And then I'm going in with that 3rd layer of the ebon spray. And I do this because once I put my wig on, I want it to last for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. I don't play those games having to do my hair every day. Absolutely not. So yeah, after I put that 3rd layer, I'm just fanning it off. And as you can see, I'm touching it to make sure that it's tacky. You do not want it to be wet. You want it to be tacky, okay? Period. Next, I'm just trying to align my wig, and I try to get this part as best as I could, but I was trying to hold the mirror, do all of this other stuff, girl. Anyways, I'm just aligning my wig. So I like to put mine right above my hairline. I am not one of those girls that want my wig to be on my eyebrows because I still want to have a forehead and not a 2-head, okay? So I'm just aligning it with my natural hairline, basically, just putting it right above my hairline. And as you can see, she's in there. She getting there. We're not all the way there yet, but we getting there. So I'm taking the end of my comb and I'm pressing in that lace into my skin. And this part is very important because you want the lace to be melted into your skin. So after I had sprayed the ebon spray, I did have some excess spray on my forehead. So I'm just taking the brush side of my edge brush and getting that excess spray off of my forehead. And I'm just going to keep cleaning it up because I find that it gives me more of a natural look when I get all of that off of my forehead, because it don't be giving what it needs to give. So after I've done that, I'm just going in with the ebon spray again, but this time I'm just focusing on the hairline of the lace and not my actual forehead. I'm doing as best as I can to stay away from my forehead since I literally just cleaned that ebon spray up off of my forehead. Yeah, girl. So we just going in. Don't be afraid. I'm taking my Dyson. Y'all know about the Dyson. The Dyson gives hot and ready. Yeah. So I'm just taking my Dyson and drying it. Next, I'm just taking my edge brush to get those excess hairs out of the way and just cleaning everything up. And I'm going to take my cute butterfly scissors. How cute are those scissors? I'm taking my butterfly scissors and just removing that excess lace off of my corners of my hair. Ooh, we looking kind of good, but we not all the way laid yet. We getting there though. So I'm taking my blow dryer again, and now I'm going in with the Ebin spray again, girl. And I do so many layers because like I said, I do not want to have to do my hair every day. So yeah, that was like the third layer. And I'm going to be drying it. I'm going to be drying it because before I put my band on, I want it to be pretty dry. I just use the band to melt my hair. I don't use the band to dry it. I use it to melt it. And when you dry it before putting the band on, you won't experience your lace lifting with the band, like when you take it off. So yeah, I'm just going in with this 24-hour edge tamer, and I'm just putting it on my closure. And I'm taking my hot comb, which is on 500 degrees, and laying my hair down. I'm a Virgo, so you know I'm a perfectionist, so my shit has to be laid. I ain't playing none of those games. Some people don't like their hair this flat, but I like for my shit to be laid, period. Yeah, we looking good, we getting there. And like I said, I'm just gonna keep going in, girl. I'm gonna just keep going in and hot combing everything. Y'all gonna see, it's gonna look so good. Like, oh my god, it's gonna look so good. But as you can see, it's getting really, really flat. And I'm just gonna take off my band. And when I took my band off, I did have some white residue, but that's okay. We're gonna take a Q-tip with some alcohol on it, just a little bit of alcohol. You don't want the Q-tip to be super wet. Not today, not too wet. You just want it to be a little damp, and then you're just going to clean up that excess residue off of your forehead and off of the lace. Then I'm just taking my hot comb and covering that side of the lace, and I'm going back in with my hot comb again just so that I can get those creases out of my hair. Yeah, she looking real good, real good. Look at that. Boom. Don't play with me. I'm going in with my Sebastian hairspray. I love this hairspray. If you don't got it, go get it. They got it at CVS, so I'm gonna need for you to run, hip hop, and skip over there and go get it. You need it. You know that Virgo shit is kicking in again. I'm like, oh my god, it gotta be late. Gotta be late. So that's all I'm doing. It's just perfecting everything.
Damn.
And yeah, look at that.
Damn, you can't even tell, girl.
You can't tell.
See, that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't need a whole bunch of products, bro. You need about 3 products, girl, to get your hair laid, to get your hair right. To serve some tea. Okay? I think that's as far as she's gonna get today. I'm gonna throw some curls. And she.
Now I'm just doing some curls. I'm using my T3 curling iron. And I love T3. Shout out to T3, baby. I'm just basically doing like a wand curl, but using the curling iron to do like a wand curl. And if you didn't notice my intro video, I had layers cut in my wig because I had to film this video in 2 days, because when I first filmed it, the intro was blurry. So by the time that I recorded the intro again, I had already cut layers and straightened the hair. So that's why it's different, but it's absolutely the same wig. But yeah, I'm just going in and curling it. It's looking so good. I love this color. Like, it really woke me up, woke my face up. I usually wear black hair, so this is nice. It's really nice. Yeah, and I'm just like, look at that. Look how it came out. It came out so beautifully. I love it. Like, no flitter, bitch. Y'all see the material. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. The hair is giving laid. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.